Hey guys, this video is about the speeding up your Android device and increase the RAM management. So first click on Settings options. Then go to About Phone. After that go down to Build Number. Click on Build Number up to 7 to 10 times. I have already activated the developer option here. So when you click the build number 7 to 10 times it will pop a window which shows that you are developer now. Now again go to setting option. Then search for developer option. In Xiaomi devices go to additional settings and scroll down to the bottom and you will see developer options, or you can directly search for a developer options. Then scroll down to the bottom and there you can see Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Animation Scale. The default settings are already set up into 1x, so if you want to speed the animation then select the 0.5x for Windows Animation Scale. For Transition Animation Scale, also select 0.5x option. By setting up into different options like 5x, 10x, you will definitely find a difference between the switching of app and transition effects. As I have 3 GB RAM, so there is no need for me to set up the animation to 0.5x, but if you are using low-end devices then select 0.5x option. Then, after selecting this options, try to test the speed by switching apps. You will definitely see the effect. It is for speed management of the Android system. Now for RAM management, scroll down to the bottom and you will see option of memory optimization. By default, it is set up on medium, but for low-end devices, you can select the option to low, so that will not drain your extra space RAM. After switching, it will ask to reboot the device. Now again, go to Background Process Limit. This option will restrict the usage of background applications. By default, it is selected as Standard Limit, which will use your RAM until it is full, but you can select it up to at most 4, which normal use, so it will not eat your extra RAM. Again, if you find another method in developer options to speed up your phone speed and better RAM management, let me know in comments section. This how you can increase speed of your mobile phone without installing any external application. Now, the second method is by downloading external application. Go to Play Store, search for Do Speed Booster. Along with it there are many RAM clearing applications that you can use and download it. Now open the application and you can see the options of Phone Boost, Trash Clean, App Management. You can also boost up your RAM by hitting Phone Boost option, and this will calculate the used RAM and clear it. Again, now the App Manager, it will let you uninstall the application and manage the application. Now again, here you can also calculate the trash files that form in your mobile internal memory. So by using this app, you can clear internal memory. So as you can see, the calculation of trash files in my phone, it above 1.5 GB. It also shows the amount of trash formed by individual applications. So if you find out this method useful, then please subscribe for more videos. Now, the